see. Who is this? Whose? This one says... This one's for Jane, Janie. Alright, both of you can open them.
But I can't open mine.
Bring it to Dad. Oh, you can just open it up right in here, honey. You don't need a scissors. What is it, bud?
Like Pikachu? Ben, it's Pikachu.
Ben, cool. Show me, Ben.
Cool, Ben.
What do you say to Hanukkah?
Kind of like Legos. Pokemon. You love Pokemon.
What's inside there, honey?
What are those? Man, those are from Japan.
What are they? Pikachu?
Well, yeah. It's Pokemon, Ben. Cool.
Maybe bring it to Dad, Jan. He can cut it. Ben, will you hold it up so I can see it closer? Wow, Nano Block, Battlefield. Pikachu's Battlefield. What was the other thing you got?
A couple more Pikachu. A couple more Pokemon.
Gee, what's that? Put it on, let's see. Oh, and you smile? What do you say to Hanukkah?
Thank you.
That was nice. What's that? Hello Kitty something. Is it a purse? Ben, can I see your little Pikachu, guys? I didn't get to see him.
But you're not other Pokemon.
Can you see? Awesome. Jamie, let me see your purse. How cute. Can you hold it up and put it around you? Not on your head, on your shoulder, honey. There you go. Cute.